Let me start with a confession. For most of my life, I reacted faster than a microwave on the popcorn setting. Someone breathed wrong near me. I had feelings about it. A text came in with a period instead of a smiley face. Oh, I was writing my will. If you've ever felt emotionally hijacked by something small, congratulations, you're human. But today, I want to teach you the single skill that changed everything for me: the power of not reacting. And I promise you this, it's not about being emotionless, it's about being unstoppable. Now, let's step into this together. Come sit with me, sweetheart. Today, we're talking about not reacting, or as I like to describe it, how to stop letting people push your buttons like they're ordering at a drive-through. Not reacting isn't about being emotionless. It's about not letting every situation drag you into a mess you didn't volunteer for. It's the grown-up version of learning when to shrug, sip your drink, and save your energy. Your mind is like that one friend who jumps to conclusions before hearing the whole story. Let's start at the beginning, the part none of us escape. Let me tell you something. Your mind is dramatic. If it could, it would run a gossip column about your life. It sees someone frown and immediately goes, "Oh no, what did I do?" It hears a weird tone and says, "They must hate me." It sees a delayed text reply and concludes, "I'm being abandoned. Someone call my lawyer." Your mind is just trying to protect you. It's like a sweet little old dog barking at every passing car because it hasn't realized most things aren't threats. Reacting fast isn't a flaw. It just means your mind has been overworked and under-supervised. But here's the good news. You're allowed to be the supervisor. Reacting instantly is what microwaves do, not wise women. Now, here's where everything changes. The pause, darling, that's your secret weapon. A pause is a classy little moment where you let your brain catch up before your mouth runs off without supervision. Think of it like the moment before you hit send on a text and say, "Wait, maybe not." One small pause can save you an argument, a sleepless night, or an apology you didn't want to give. The pause is you choosing to stay in the driver's seat instead of being dragged behind someone else's emotions like a tin can on a wedding car. Watch the moment like you're watching a sitcom, not starring in it. And once you create that pause, something remarkable happens. When something triggers you, pretend you're watching the moment on TV. You're not inside the drama. You're on the couch with popcorn. You think, "Wow, this scene escalated quickly. Look at me about to get irritated. How adorable. Let's see where this plot line goes." When you picture it like a show, you stop taking everything personally. You stop assuming the worst. You stop feeding the fire. It's like giving your emotions a timeout so your common sense can stretch its legs. Humor is the adult version of a life jacket. Let's talk about the secret tool that doesn't get enough credit: humor. When life acts up, a sense of humor is better than a Xanax. Here's your golden secret. You're allowed to laugh internally instead of react externally. Like, "Bless your heart, you're really committed to this temper today." This moment is doing acrobatics for attention. "I will not match this energy. I'm tired." Humor breaks the tension. It helps you stay sane, and it keeps your dignity intact, even when the situation deserves a full rant and a half. Your peace starts to feel like a velvet rope people can't cross. And here's the long-term magic of all this. When you stop reacting to every little thing, the whole world responds differently to you. People sense your strength, not loud strength, but that elegant, calm, don't play with me strength. You start to hear more, see clearly, take less personally, say only what matters, stop stepping into battles you didn't start. Keep your energy like a precious gift. Your calm becomes a superpower. And the best part, drama stops finding you. Chaos stops choosing you. You become too peaceful to be entertaining to messy people. Your pause is your peace, sweetheart. So let's circle back to where we started. That microwave level reactivity we all used to walk around with, you don't need it anymore. Your new mantra is simple: I'll respond when I'm ready, not when I'm triggered. Your reaction is yours. Your peace is yours. And honestly, it looks fabulous on you. Now go out there and disappoint a few people by not reacting the way they hoped.